Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to another YouTube video. So today's video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up to college students and make them listen to the Quran, the Holy Quran, and let's see what their response is, because I'm so curious to know what they think about the Quran and how it makes them feel and whatnot. So today I'm gonna show you guys how college students felt when they heard the Quran. See you guys on the next shot, which is the reaction. I'm gonna make you listen to something, and from there you'll see it. If you wanna hold it, you can hold this and press play. Alright. Tell me if you can hear it. Alright, so I'm gonna press play. And you listen and you can read it, you can see the subtitles as well.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لا أقسم بيوم القيامة ولا أقسم بالنفس اللوامة. أيحسب الإنسان أن لن نجمع عظامه. بلى قادرين على أن نسوي بنانه. بل يريد الإنسان ليفجر أمامه. يسأل أيان يوم القيامة. فإذا برق البصر وخسف القمر وجمع الشمس والقمر. يقول الإنسان يومئذ أين المفر. كلا لا وزر إلى ربك يومئذ المستقر.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
وقل رب أعوذ بك من همزات الشياطين وأعوذ بك رب أن يحضرون. حتى إذا جاء أحدهم الموت قال رب ارجعون لعلي أعمل صالحا فيما تركت. كلا إنها كلمة هو قائلها ومن ورائهم برزخ إلى يوم يبعثون. فإذا نفخ في الصور فلا أنساب بينهم يومئذ ولا يتساءلون. فمن ثقلت موازينه فأولئك هم المفلحون. ومن خفت موازينه فأولئك الذين خسروا أنفسهم في جهنم خالدون. تلفح وجوههم النار وهم فيها كالحون. ألم تكن آياتي تتلى عليكم فكنتم بها تكذبون. قالوا ربنا غلبت علينا شقوتنا وكنا قوما ضالين. ربنا أخرجنا منها فإن عدنا فإنا ظالمون. قال تخسأوا فيها ولا تكلمون
قدم وأخر بل الإنسان على نفسه بصيرة ولو ألقى معاذيره لا تحرك به لسانك لتعجل به إن علينا جمعه وقرآنه فإذا قرأناه فاتبع قرآنه ثم إن علينا بيانه
كلا بل تحبون العاجلة وتذرون الآخرة وجوه يومئذ ناظرة إلى ربها ناظرة ووجوه يومئذ باسرة تظن أن يفعل بها فاقرة كلا إذا بلغت التراقي وقيل من راق وظن أنه الفراق.
So I'm gonna just ask you some couple questions. Would it be fine?
Yeah.
So as you know, so basically, what do you think you heard of? Like, what you see right now?
That reminded me of like scripture. Like the Catholic Church, you know, they have their chants and stuff. It's a religious thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what you heard is the Holy Quran. Muslims follow. And I'm Muslim, as you know. It's basically a book, a holy book. It's same thing as the Bible.
Yeah, I'm familiar with it.
Yeah. So it's just like it's like a book for showing you path of life. You know, showing you what's the best way to live life as. You know, and like it talks about the past, what happened with other people, other prophets. You know, stuff like that. So how did it make you feel when you heard it?
Not really one way or the other. It was beautiful. You know, it's good to listen to.
Did it make you feel like it's like calm? Like, is it calm?
Yeah, it was a very mellow, peaceful type of vibe.
So it'd be like something that you would hear like when you're like relaxing.
Yeah, it was very relaxed.
So how did it make you feel when you heard this?
I feel great.
Did it make you feel calm or like?
Yeah.
So what do you think you heard? So basically,
Like what your God is, or
yeah. So basically, it's the holy book Quran. Muslims follow, and basically the only reason why they follow is because this book is like so pure that it shows you the life, like it shows you the best, like how to live a life in this world, you know. So that's what Muslims follow, and like basically, yeah. So what do you think you just heard right now? Like, what did you hear?
Definitely like some type of song. Possibly a song that talks about religion.
That is close, but it's basically a person that's reciting the Quran. Quran is a holy book of Islam. Muslims follow, as me, I'm a Muslim, you know. So we follow the book, and this book gives us like a path to how to live life, you know, how to live life in a perfect, the best way, so that you'll feel happy, you know, when you follow it. So how did it make you feel, you know? Like, did you feel special when you heard it?
So yeah, I guess so. Yeah, it was smooth. I mean, it kind of felt like a lullaby.
So I felt you like calm. It was something that you'll hear like whenever when you're like relaxed, right?
The melody, I guess. Music.
Yeah, for sure. All right, so as you've seen the video, right? Yeah. So what are your thoughts about the video? Like, what do you think it is?
What do I think it is? Well, I see. I'm a little ignorant to Islam, but
Oh, so you know the what
faith?
you heard?
Yeah, I know what it is, like roughly. Like I know it was someone singing scripture, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I know that, and I know that like I know who Allah is, it's obviously God in Arabic. Like it's the same concept, the Abrahamic faith. So
Yeah.
it's just a different interpretation of the events that occurred. The three faiths agree on what occurred. It's just that there's a different, I guess, interpretation of Islam. And like I said, I thought, well, I don't know if they filmed that part where I was talking, but I thought that it was pretty beautiful because I've heard some of that, and I always liked that kind of music. And I found the way he was describing things very metaphorical, I guess, if that makes sense.
So it kept you calm.
Yeah, it was very calm.
Something that you'll listen to if you're like, you know, like the environment is like
Yeah.
beautiful
Yeah.
as well, and like you listen to that music.
It'd be really good if I was anxious, but it would also be good if I'm in a good mood because it would just exemplify it, you know? I think that that's some good music. It's interesting though, because I guess, I mean, assuming that, I'm just gonna assume what the nature of this social experiment is, which is to show that Islam is a religion of peace. I feel like that's a perfect example of that. It's like, you know, when people are practicing the faith, making songs about the faith, there's nothing but like most peaceful intentions, and the harmony of the song creates peace. I don't know. I feel like that's what I always get out of things like that. I definitely have to brush up on the Quran though, because I haven't read it in a while. So.